Imagine finally being able to escape the city and hit the water for a peaceful sunrise session, all with a board that fits right into the trunk of your car. Welcome back. If you're looking for the absolute easiest way to start your paddleboarding journey without needing a massive roof rack, the Niphean Inflatable stand-up paddleboard is the all-in-one adventure package you've been waiting for. This isn't just a basic inflatable, it is a high-performance 10 feet 6 inches cruiser built from military-grade PVC that feels incredibly rigid, almost like a hard board, once it's pumped up to 15 psi. The generous 32-inch width provides rock-solid stability, making it the perfect choice for adults and youth of all skill levels, even if you've never stood on a board before. The entire top is covered in a premium anti-slip EVA deck pad, ensuring you have a secure grip whether you're paddling across a glassy lake or doing some light yoga on the water. What really makes the Niphean a standout for 2026 is the incredible value of the full accessory kit. You're getting a 3-piece adjustable aluminum paddle, a high-pressure manual pump, a secure safety leash, and even a waterproof phone case, so you can capture those scenic shots worry-free. Everything, including the board, folds down into a durable travel backpack, making it effortless to hike into remote alpine lakes or take on your next beach vacation. It's durable, it's beautiful, and it's arguably the most cost-effective way to get on the water this summer. Click the link below for the best price and start your summer adventure today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect board, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the outdoor gear that actually gets you outside. See you in the next one.